Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss on legible and available concepts of Alcoa Plus principle. So if you are not aware of the data integrity definition and its understanding as well as the Alcoa Plus full forms, please go through my earlier videos, so thereby you can have the concepts clear. I also request you to please subscribe the video channel. I am going to update several pharmaceutical concepts in core and correlating them with our day-to-day life examples to enhance our understanding. Right, so let me discuss on the legible and available concepts of Alcoa Plus principle. So I hope you are now clear by attributable factor of the Alcoa Plus. Let's begin. Legible. Alcoa, ALCOA, in that L stands for legible, legibility of the records. So when I record any data in any of the documents, CGMP documents like logbook, register, format, BMR, BPR, etc. Whatever data I have recorded, that should be clearly readable, understandable. Data can be interpretable, right? So legibility with respect to paper documents. When we talk about paper documents, data written on document can be clearly readable, and data shall prevail, shall remain as long as that document need to be retained. So therefore data shall be recorded with the indelible ink, right? Indelible ink, so which remains permanent, remains for a longer period, as long as I am retaining that document. Clear? Legible, readable, understandable, data can be interpretable, data shall be recorded with the indelible ink. The same goes for the applicable available concept also. Availability, data shall be available in its purest form as long as I am retaining that document. If a particular work is completed and I have recorded that data, that document should be available at any point of time. If somebody asked for review purpose or for audit purpose, it should be available within a fraction of minutes. So our data tracking should be proper. If work completed, data is recorded, document has been done, prepared, if somebody is asking for that document during audit or review purpose and that document is not available, what picture will come to your mind? Right? So you will get doubt whether the work has been completed or not. If completed, why document is not available? Clear? Right? So this is with respect to paper document. Now with respect to electronic document, how legibility applies? Right? With respect to electronic document, legible means data recorded shall be clearly identifiable, clearly readable. When I log in with certain my user credentials, user ID and password, and I search certain field, data can interact with other data, with its raw data or metadata. It can be interpretable easily. If I select certain fields, with respect to that, only that data should be visible. And then collectively when I see a form, the same data should also be available. So that is the legibility concept with respect to electronic system. For example, now you are checking your online account, internet, net banking, for example net banking, right? You logged in, you check your balance, only current account balance, right? So only balance will be visible to you. If you take a statement, for 1 month, along with that 1 month statement, what is your current balance, present balance, that is also visible. Now only balance when you saw, and along with the statement what balance you saw, both balance remains same. Clear? If you take 2 month statement, then also along with the 2 month statements, balance amount will remain same. That is what the legibility, clearly visible, clearly. So data is interacting with other fields, but data is remaining same. The same concept is applicable in our pharmaceutical organization also. For example, you are having a online training system where you are using training software for certain, the conducting a training and then updating a training, registering attendance through software, etc. After the training, if you want to select individual person and if you want to see the records of his or her training, with respect to that person, you should be able to see the data clearly, legible, which training under he or she gone, at what day, at what time, right? Now a cumulative report, if you take a cumulative report of the training happened maybe in last 1 week or 10 days, in that also that course should be clearly visible, clearly identifiable, right? Similarly, if you are using any software, QMS software, quality management system softwares, various provided by various vendors, in that also data should be clearly identifiable. So this is the concept of legibility with respect to electronic system. Clear? Availability, when it comes availability with respect to electronic system, all kind of raw data, right? All kind of raw data, metadata, processed data should be available as long as that data is retained, is asked to retain. If any point of time, if the auditor asks or for the review purpose, that data should be available, that data shall be available in the electronic system, easily traceable. It shall be available with respect to the person who created that data, who worked on that data. Now you can imagine what electronic systems you are operating in your day-to-day work. You imagine data is interacting or not. If you find any one field, if you search any one field, data related to with respect to that field is getting uploaded. If you take a cumulative report, in cumulative report also you will see the same data what you have saw in a individual against individual field, data remains same. So this is what legibility and availability. The same is applicable for the paper system. When I record data, it shall be clearly readable, understandable, interpretable, which can be stored for a longer period of time. It shall be available for a longer period of time. So that's why in organization you are asked to use indelible ink. Clear? Indelible ink, that is a permanent ink. So that's why we use maximum ballpoint pen, so that data remains permanent. When it comes to readable, now these concepts are not only applicable to the industry or organization, in the pharmaceutical industry. This we have grown up by practicing these things. Now you imagine, since from childhood you have been told to write neatly, clear handwriting. Yes or no? Now the same concept is used in the organization with a name legible, tagline, whatever data you record, that should be legible. That legibility we have been following throughout our life. Since from childhood to till now, we have grown by following that legible factor. Clear? Right? And again, when it comes to legible, in organization, it is clearly not allowed to use the whiteners or what you use various color this thing to correct something, etc. It's not looking legible, so put a whitener and then rewrite. All these things are not allowed at all. Clear? Right? So legible, it should be clearly in a clearly readable form. It can be understandable without any doubt. I am recording today, that may be viewed maybe after 1 year, 2 year, or whenever auditor asks, or whenever it is asked for the review. So even after, if you see after 6 months, 1 year, 2 year, you should be able to clearly interpret, clearly understand what has been written, in what context it was written, without any doubt, without any confusion, without any ambiguity. You should be able to read and understand that. This is what legibility. The same thing happens. For example, if you remember, when you write an exam, right? When you write an exam, sometimes it happens, I am expecting 90%, 80%, 90%. But when the result came, some may get 60, 65. Then whom do you blame? We blame the evaluator. Arey, how he evaluated. Yes? But whether they understood what I have written, was it legible to them? The same thing is applicable to the organization also. So therefore, please practice writing neatly, properly, so that the third person who is not at all involved in that work, he or she should also read it properly. Clear? Right? So do subscribe video channel, so that some more topics which are uploaded you can understand in a better way. Thank you.